Okay then, so here's a video on how to troubleshoot a garbage disposal. As you can see, I've taken mine out there. Now, there will be usually two problems you will have with a garbage disposal, and that is absolutely nothing at all. So you turn on the disposal, nothing happens. And the other problem is you turn on the disposable and you hear humming. So the first problem is usually because on the disposal itself you have a little breaker here, a small red square. It might be different on your disposal. It would have popped out. This is because the flywheel, which is inside, might have got stuck. So this pops out to prevent any damage to the system. So if that happens, you can try pressing it in. It may work again, but it might be part of a bigger problem, which is why it popped out in the first place. So if it's not actually doing anything at all, that's the first thing to check. Now for the humming. If your garbage disposal is humming, that means the flywheel is stuck. If you have a look inside this one here, this rusty little plate is the flywheel. You can see the two silver pieces there. That's what actually grinds up the food and waste itself. The flywheel, that's that piece there, may have got stuck. You can see there's something slightly down the side there. So we need to make sure this can rotate freely. Now to troubleshoot the humming problem itself, we turn the garbage disposal over. I'm sure yours will be under the sink, so you won't need to actually take it out to do this. Lucky enough to find one of these under the sink. You can see it's called a self-service wrenchette, or literally just a 1/4 inch Allen key or Allen wrench. And underneath the garbage disposal there, if I just focus the video, you can see a hole for it just there. This allows you to manually turn the flywheel inside the disposal to unlodge and dislodge any waste inside. So we can turn this left to right, and that will free up our flywheel. Once you've turned the wrench side to side and freed up any debris in there, you might be able to pull out the likely culprit. It might be a bottle cap, it might be a piece of cutlery, it could be something bad from the night before. But once you've got that out of there and the flywheel moves freely, you can simply power it up and test it and see if it works. I'm not going to do this for very long because it's actually sitting on my floor. But that looks pretty good now. So I'm going to place that back in the sink and we should be churning up our waste in no time.